Hi guys, what's going on there? In this video we are going to see how to create a paint application with undo and redo option. We are going to make update of our previous project, which you can see in our, if you didn't see our previous video, go and watch our previous video. I will give it in top part. After watching that video, please watch this video. It will be easy for you, otherwise it will be difficult. Okay, our previous video is like this. We don't have any undo or redo option in this paint application, so here we have to going to create two buttons, undo and redo. First of all, in XML, okay, we have created a two image view, with one is control redo and another one is control undo. Okay, let's be implementing our main activity. Control undo dot set on click listener, and also for control redo or set on click listener. Basically we are going to create a array list of paths which we can easily transfer with undo and redo option. So we have to create a one more class file which will holds path Kotlin class files. It has a paint path. Okay, here we are going to add path colon path. Okay, in our draw path we are going to create a list of variables, private var type path list. Paint path. We have to store our undo paths into redo list. So we are making another one array list, making name as undone path list, array list, same type of paint path. Okay, enough. Don't want to initialize our path here, we can initialize in down, so we can delete this. Also, okay, here we can remove this because we already checked for null here. Here we have to going to make one function which is a touch start, which will have two arguments. One is x position and another one is y push. And here we are going to implement touch move. It's also going to take x position and y position. And next one is touch up. Okay, let's implement all our functions. Alt enter, create a function. Create a function. For touch up. Okay, in previous one we are going to set, in previous video we are set as a move to and light to. Here we have to add quad 2 because we are also going to see quad 2 also. Here we are first of all we are going to create one more path object at where m path defines which is motion path. Just a name, you can give any name. In touch start you can make it to m path is equal to, we are going to initialize our path. Okay, that's it. Here we are also want to create our paint path. Don't forget to create our paint path. Paint path object is equal to paint path, which is going to take only one parameter, which is of m path. Okay, we are going to check for null safety. Throwing error, what is it? Type mismatch. Okay, here which is import function is wrong. We are going to import this path android.graphics. Now the error will be solved. Okay, here we are going to add this into our path list. Add paint path. Okay, we successfully added this into our, and next we are going to reset our m path because the user will definitely redo the lines, so we have to reset once which is added means. And also we are going to here add m path dot move to, like the previous video. Here also we are going to add x push and y push, which just came from parameters. And we are going to pass this x and y into our next function, so we are going to make it as a variable for this mx, choose of null mx and one more control D, which will duplicate this line. We are making it as my. Okay, mx is equal to x is equal to x push and my is equal to y push. Okay, next one is a touch move. Next one is a touch move function. Here we are going to make a quad. So here we are going to define a two variables. Val dx, we are going to make absolute of this x position minus that mx. So we are making it as a dx is equal to type as float is equal to abs. What I already said, that this x position minus mx, because we have to in between path have to be defined here, making val dy of float is equal to abs of y push minus my. Check for null check. Okay, here we have to define one more thing, which is a touch tolerance. We have to define our touch tolerance also, making touch tolerance, just copy and paste that previous line. Touch tolerance, making it as null, not null, making it as 4f. That's enough. Here we have to check whether that dx and dy is greater than touch tolerance. Dx is greater than touch tolerance, or operator dy is greater than equal to touch tolerance, means we can draw our quad to mpath dot quad 2. Here we have to first define our mx and my, and here we have to make this x position plus that mx divided by 2. X position plus x not null divided by 2, and same y position plus my divided by 2. Okay, and also here also we have to set our this mx as current x position and my as y position, current y position. The touch up is simple. We have to just simply set our mpath line to mx and my. Okay, we have completed our touch events. We have to add the invalidate because we have to call this every time. Finish. Invalidate will automatically call on draw method. Okay, in on draw method we have to transfer our path where path in path list. Okay, because path dot path. Here we set a draw path for every path list, and also we are going to check if path list dot size is greater than 0, otherwise it will throw error, so we are checking it for it, so it is easy for us. Okay, here we are going to create two functions. One is for set undo and another one is for set redo. Here we are going to check only if path list is already filled, means only we have to undo. So we are going to give path list dot size check greater than 0, means only we are going to in and removing the last item from our path list. Path list dot remove at will easily help to remove with number. We are making one variable for size, val size is equal to path list dot size. Remove what? Size -1. We can use size itself here, don't want to give path list dot size. Okay, and also we want to add that path list is in undone list, because why means we want to give redo also. Undone list dot add dot path list index of path list dot size, we can make it as a size -1, because we want to add our undone final path to in, and also we want to make call one more time invalidate, because we want to rerun our draw method. Okay, in same in redo we want to change everything into vice versa. Val size is equal to path list here undone dot size, giving control alt L to format our code. Here also we want to check if size is greater than 0, means we have to go in undo add path dot add undone path list size -1. Here we have to redo. So what redo means, we have to remove our undone list, remove at what size -1 same, and also we want to invalidate. Okay, that's it. We have to call this in our function. Next summary, we just want to give one id for this id. Paint area, we can give it a paint area. Paint area dot set undo here, and paint area dot set redo here. Okay, let's just, everything is perfect. Let's just run our code and see whether it is working perfectly or not. Okay, working perfectly. Okay, we can able to draw. Okay, we can also do undo, going to make it a redo. Wow, it's working perfectly. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.